Oh, my dear children, I am your Momita ma'am, and today I am back again. You have already practiced 4 type of blends, that are FL words, GL words, BR words, and CL words. And I know that you have practiced the spellings very well. So today we are going to discuss all the blends little bit, see how we can discuss it, then you will practice it for surely. Okay, and practice like that if anybody is give you the name, and you can write the spelling immediately. Okay children, so come, let's start our practice of previous all the blends. Okay, so see the picture. What is it? Yes, you guessed it correctly. This is flower, and the spelling is FLOWER, flower. Again, I am repeating FLOWER, flower. You have written the spelling, you know the spelling, right? It gives us sweet smell. And this is our FL words. Flower. FL, flower. OWER, flower. Can you tell me, children, how birds move in the sky? Yes, what the bird can do in the sky? They can fly in the sky, right? And this is again a FL word. This is fly, and the spelling is FLY, fly. What is the spelling? FLY, fly. So birds can fly in the sky, and there is another thing that can also fly in the sky. Can you tell me, children, what is that thing? Yes, yes, I know. That is an aeroplane. An aeroplane can also fly in the sky. So the word is fly. FLY, fly. Now, can you tell me, children, which thing shows us time and it sounds tick tock, tick tock? Yes, do you know? Yes, that is clock, an important thing. So this is clock, CLOCK, and this is CL words. So it starts with clock, CL, and the spelling is CLOCK, clock. Okay children, so this is your next blend word, clock. Now children, tell me which CL word we can found in the sky. Yes, white it looks, and this is cloud, CLOUD, cloud. So what is the word? CL, OUD, out. So this is cloud, CLOUD, cloud. Now see the picture children and tell me what you can say here. What is it? There is a teacher and the students are sitting in the benches. So which room is this? Yes, this is classroom. So what is it? Classroom. And your word is class. So repeat the spelling with me. So this is CLASS, class. What is it? CLASS, class. This is again a CL word. The starting is cla, CL, then S, ASS. So this is class, CLASS, class. Now tell me children, what we can wear in the winter season to protect our hands. We can wear it in our hands. So what is it? Yes, this is gloves. So this is your GL words, and the word is gloves. GL, OVES, gloves. So the word is GLOVES, S. Gloves. Can you say, children, who helps us in our art and craft in pasting the papers? Yes, white thing that is. What is it? I know you can say. Think. Yes. Yes, that is glue. 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 Exactly. Now you please see the picture. What is it? It is called a mini earth, and here we can see many of the countries. So this is our, yes, globe. 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 Now tell me, children, after waking up in the morning, what do you do? Firstly, yes, we all brush our teeth. Yes, so our blend word is brush. 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 Yes, and I have told you about three type of brushes, and I know you also know it, right, children? Now, an interesting question for you. We all love to eat sandwiches. Yes. So tell me, what is the thing is used in sandwich? The main ingredient. What is it? Yes, that square shaped. That is bread, right? So this is our blend words, bread, and the spelling is BREAD, bread. Again I am repeating, BREAD, bread. We can use it in our sandwiches. We can have bread jam, bread and butter, and these are very tasty to eat, right? So these were for your revision purpose. Practice it, practice the spelling. Till then, take care, tata, and have fun with the words. Okay, children? Bye.